Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Steno Karo India. Let me tell you that the photos of dictation in the description box is provided. After dictation, you download it. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So ready friends, start. Minister of External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar has offered a precise and genuine description of the diplomatic scenario in the Indo-Pacific as well as larger Asian context from India's point of view, full stop. Even as he stressed that the world order formed after the World War II and formation of the United Nations 75 years ago is under stress. Dr. Jaishankar has said that there was a need to take care of regional aspirations in the larger global context, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. Full stop. He has made it clear that India recognizes the centrality of the idea of Asian under bracket Association of East Asian Nations, through which to further the cause of regional cooperation, and that Indo-Pacific is only a more pointed symbolism of that thought. Para. Dr. Jaishankar is one of the rare birds, even in the temperate zone of diplomacy. He often leads the international discourse with masterful usage of words to arrive at an accurate description of criss-cross interests that often dominate the diplomatic discourse. This time, too, he has presented in the nutshell the comprehensive description of how international diplomacy is being woven around the idea of Indo-Pacific. He does not miss a specific reference to the Bay of Bengal initiative for multi-sectoral technical and economic cooperation under bracket BIMSTEC as one of the planks of Indo-Pacific diplomacy. Full stop. Para. These facts, the scenario go far beyond the confines of regional geopolitics. The purpose appears to be to isolate not just Pakistan, who is a patently bad and senseless player, and China, whose evil ideations have created so much of disturbance in global diplomatic arena in the past quarter of a century in particular. Full stop. Though Dr. Jaishankar had rejected the suggestion a little while earlier that Indo-Pacific is an international alliance to checkmate China, the world knows that the four-nation initiative has kept China out of the ambit and has defined its policy approach with the Chinese overtures in mind. Full stop. And through BIMSTEC, Pakistan too is made to stay away since it has little do with the geopolitical zone of Bay of Bengal. This fine distinction between various nuances of regional diplomacy certainly has positioned India as a major player in Indo-Pacific and Asian regional geopolitics. full stop. Dr. Jaishankar has done superb job in offering a finally cut definition of the overall scenario. Para, of course, comma, it will be too simplistic to expect China not to make its presence felt in the play of regional interests, comma, no matter the formalization of Indo-Pacific that Dr. Jaishankar recently described as a multilateral security dialogue. Full stop. China is without doubt a major consideration in the regional as well as global diplomacy thanks to its aggressive military diplomacy. Beijing has thrust itself into international consideration as a permanent factor, but the manner in which India, the United States, Japan, and Australia are shaping the Indo-Pacific politics proves that Chinese overtures would be successfully contained largely. Full stop. If you really love this dictation today, like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe Steno Karo India to receive wonderful dictation. Thank you.